right. Don't get frustrated. You got it. There you go. Perfect. That alligator go? Good job. Where's that giraffe go? Where does he go? Good job. Good job, Miles. Where does that one go? Is that... What is that? Is that the baby kitty? Where's that baby kitty lion go? Good job. Good job, buddy. Who you got there? Is that the baby elephant? Good job, buddy. Where's that baby crocodile go? Almost got it. You almost got it. You almost got it, buddy. There you go. Yay. Good job. Where's that giraffe go? Good job. Where's the baby giraffe go? Where'd he go? Good job. Where's that baby crocodile go? Oh, good job. Does that baby elephant go? Does he go next to his mommy? Yeah. There we go. Ooh, that's a lion. What does the lion do? What does the lion say? Does he roar? Yeah. Where's that kitty go? Good job. Last one. Where's that crocodile go? Good job, Miles. Yay! You gonna do it again? You ready to go night-night, baby? Night-night? You say bye-bye? Let's say bye-bye, Miles. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. To the door. Bye-bye.